for so many
No,
years.
see, you have to
Okay.
like start
Okay.
from beginning.
Hi, I'm Chandana. My main concern was the sleep apnea, which was been diagnosed almost 5 years back, and even before that, I was suffering. The suffering was so much that I was desperate to get rid of the situation, to have some kind of relief, because the situation was so uncomfortable that even during my work I had to doze because the sleep was always there. I never felt fresh. But last year when I came to Dr. Agarwal, he suggested for the surgery to get rid of this problem, to address this problem. And fortunately, last 1 year is a blessing of my life because I got operated on February 2016. During the operation, I was a bit nervous because I was not very sure about the outcome. But as the time healed me and the outcome was amazing because it totally changed my life. In terms of weight reduction, definitely a better sleep quality. I now feel fresh even in the morning when I get up, and throughout the day I don't feel any discomfort which was always there previously. And it is almost 1 year. I never have experienced anything like before. Things are going smooth, things are going much better. So I'm grateful to Dr. Agarwal for suggesting this method which worked for me, and I hope it will work for others as well.
Okay, so how many times, if you remember your sleep study, how many times you used to choke in 1 hour's time?
As far as I recall, it was extreme, almost 62 times in an hour.
So once every minute you were choking.
Almost once in every minute. And
you had tried CPAP?
I was on machine. That was a temporary relief because at least with that machine I could sleep. But the problem was somewhere else. I was feeling that is the only option I am having throughout my life now. Rest of the life I have to live with that machine, and that was depressing.
So your sleep quality was better with the machine or better after the surgery?
It was slightly better with the machine in comparison to the previous part, but definitely it was not 100%.
No, my question is, your sleep quality is better now or was better with the machine?
Right now it is much better. Much better. Because with the machine you will always feel restrained. The movement is restricted, you will always be aware, back of your mind you know that you are on the machine.
Correct, but when you get up in the morning now, as against you used to get up with the machine earlier, which was better? With the machine or with the surgery?
No, definitely without, after the surgery I am much better.
Even with machine you are not as fresh?
No. With machine I could manage, but definitely I never could feel that fresh. The sleep was not that sound.
Perfect.
So right now things are much better in my favor.
Okay. Are you okay if I share this experience of yours with
certainly,
our colleagues and other people?
Other people who are suffering, who are having the same conditions which I went through. I would like them to share my experience, and maybe they will be encouraged, motivated to go ahead with the surgery.
Perfectly all right. No, I am taking your consent that this video of yours can be shown to others.
Definitely.
Perfectly. Thank you.